Hi, this is Christy Wellborn, and you're listening to Estes-Park-Radio.com. I'd like to welcome back Lori Mitchell from the Estes Park Senior Center. Thanks for taking the time to visit with us.
It seems like the time just flies by when we're together, doesn't it? It's fun to be here. Happy to visit with you. Excited about your new operation on EstesParkRadio.com.
Thank you. We're excited also. But I can't believe I'm going to say the word October.
October. And you could call that Elktober. There's so much going on up here in our wonderful community in October.
One of my favorite months of the year.
It's the most beautiful month. And here, gosh, at the Senior Center, we have a lot going on. We say that every month, though. We try to listen to the community and really try to respond to what people seem to be interested in. And that brings up a good point. If any of you out there listening have ideas and suggestions for classes and trips and programs,
you're always open to that?
We're open to that. Doesn't mean we're always going to be able to do it, but we sure have big ears, and we love to hear what people are interested in.
Great.
So bringing us to October. One of the most important things we are doing this fall is flu shots. You can get your flu shots now at certain different venues in town, doctor's offices, Safeway, things like that. The Senior Center also has clinics. We're waiting till October to have ours. The Family Medical Clinic will be using their staff to run our clinics. It'll be Wednesday, October 5th from 1 to 3, and Friday, October 7th from 2 to 4. All you need to do is bring your Medicare card and drop by. No appointment is needed, and we'll be happy to give you a flu shot.
Great.
You can also get your Pneumovax, your pneumonia shot at the time if you haven't had that, or need a booster or something like that. Give us a call. We're happy to help you with that. Otherwise, just drop by. Drop by on those 2 dates in early October. Another important part of October planning here at the Senior Center involves Medicare counseling. We do Medicare counseling here every month on the third Wednesday of each month from 9 to 3. For people new to Medicare.
There's a lot to learn, I imagine.
Lots to learn. And the people that are most nervous are those ready to turn 65. But we have professional counselors who are state health insurance program. They're called SHIP counselors. And they will give you non-partial advice. They'll help you figure out the enrollment process, answer any prescription drug plan questions, etc. It's a great service. It's free. You just call 586-2996 here at the center and get an appointment with us. General Medicare counseling, that's the third Wednesday of each month. Those are 45 minutes in length. Then, every year, Medicare program has a required prescription drug plan re-enrollment or evaluation period. This year, that's running October through December 7th, October 15th through December 7th, and you have the option of looking at your current prescription drug plans and deciding whether you wish to change those plans. Looking at Medicare Advantage plans, all those prescription drug plans can be looked at here with our counselors. And so if you bring your current coverage, you bring your current list of medicines, they can plug in that data into the website and pull up the 3 best plans for you and help you figure out which is the most cost effective to buy your prescription drug plan under. Those are special appointments, and we're offering those twice, once in October, once in November. So you call 586-2996 to get a 30-minute prescription drug plan review.
Oh, that's great.
If you're satisfied with your current coverage and you wish not to make any changes at all, you don't need to call. You don't need to have a review. If you're happy with your current plan, you don't need to have a review. But this is, again, a free service. We work with the Aspen Club from the Poudre Valley Health System. They bring their trained counselors, and you get the benefit. It's wonderful. We've helped a lot of people with this.
You're listening to EstesParkRadio.com, and we're visiting with Lori Mitchell over at the Estes Park Senior Center. And we are at the Senior Center, and it's getting a little louder out there. There's a hustle and bustle. So if you do hear that, folks, it's because it's happening over here. We're hearing a lot of people sound like they're having a good time.
They are having a good time. They're breaking up from lunch.
All right, more activities at the Estes Park Senior Center with Lori Mitchell.
We have a great pleasure in providing education to the community, especially our senior population. And some people say, well, what's a senior? And, we don't have any age restrictions here at the Senior Center. That's one of our conscious decisions, is to involve the community in the kinds of educational materials and programs and trips and things that we have. So anybody of any age can participate here. There's no age requirement for the memberships to the nonprofit. So we have young folks in their 40s and 50s participating in some of our fitness classes, and some of the older folks too. Everyone's welcome. That's what people need to know. Everyone's welcome here at the Senior Center.
Okay.
There is a low vision and blindness fair put on by Disabled Resources every year, and they have hosted that here at the Senior Center for the past couple of years. It's happening again on Friday, October 14th. If you know Penn Bowden, Penn
sure.
Street, right? She is the coordinator for Disabled Resources and runs a low vision support group here for people with visual issues. Anyway, their fair is from 9 a.m. to noon on Friday, October 14th. It's a great chance for those with visual impairments or issues or questions, maybe newly diagnosed or even long-term issues, to come. We'll have vendors of several different sorts all around the Senior Center. You can stop and go table to table and learn about support services for those with low vision. They'll have eye doctors here. They'll have people who run different kinds of mechanical equipment. Great services anyway.
Okay.
Friday, October 14th.
Okay, well, thanks for your time. Appreciate it again, and we will talk to you in a month.
Absolutely.
Lori Mitchell with the Estes Park Senior Center. I'm Christy Wellborn, and you're listening to EstesParkRadio.com.